Okay, a bit of an add-on. If you're thinking about getting this thing, make sure that it's compatible with your phone. It says it needs to be Android 10 or higher. I tried it on the phone that the app Galaxy Wearables installed, and when I tried to plug it in, it wouldn't recognize the device. And when I contacted Samsung, they said it's not compatible with the phone. But the app never said that. So I was trying it on a Samsung Galaxy A8. So if you're going to buy this, make sure that it works on your phone. And if you're not sure, make sure you have a receipt and you can return it. Because that's what we ended up doing.